Sorting and filtering data in Excel.
Sorting and filtering in Excel are powerful tools that help you arrange your data, find what you need, and show it off in a clear way. They help you access the required data faster and present it in an easy-to-read format. Let's see how to use the sorting and filtering tools in Excel.
Let's begin with the sort function in Excel. In the student worksheet, the record for each student is added in a row. Currently, they are arranged according to the roll number. Suppose you want to arrange the records ordered alphabetically by name. To arrange the student records alphabetically by name, you first need to select the range of cells that contain the data you want to sort. So, select the entire data set range from cell A1 to cell I16. This ensures that all the columns and rows are included in the sorting process. Now, let's find the sort command on the ribbon. Select the Data tab on the ribbon. Select Custom Sort. As you have included the column headers in the range you selected, ensure that My Data has headers is selected. To sort the data by student name, in the list next to Sort By and under column, select Name. Select the list under Sort On. As you can see, the data can be sorted by cell values, cell color, font color, and conditional formatting icon. As you want to sort the rows by the contents of the cells in the name column, select Cell Values. Select the list under Order. Here you can specify if you want to sort in ascending or descending order. Select Sort Ascending. Select OK. The student records are now arranged alphabetically by name. You can easily return to the previous order as the records were originally sorted by roll number. To sort the student records in ascending order by roll number, select Sort Ascending on the Data tab. The student records are now arranged in ascending order by roll number. Note that the Sort Ascending command sorts the data by the first column in the selected range of cells. If you want to sort it by any other column or by more than one column, you need to use the Custom Sort command. Suppose you are conducting a year-end review of student performance and you want to identify the students who have passed and those who have failed. You also want to identify the students who have an average score of 60 or less so that you can provide them additional help. To identify the students who have passed and those who have failed, you need to sort the data on result. So select Custom Sort. To specify your sort criteria, in the list next to Sort By and under column, select Result. You want to sort on cell values, so you do not have to change the value in the list under Sort On. To place the students who have passed at the top of the list, in the list under Order, select Sort Descending. Select OK. The student records are now arranged with the students who have passed at the top of the list, followed by students who have failed. However, it's difficult to identify the students who have scored an average of 60 or less from this data. So let's add another sort criteria, Average. Select Custom Sort. To add a secondary sort criteria, select Add at the top of the Custom Sort window. An additional set of options appear below the first sorting condition in the Custom Sort window. To specify your second sort criteria, in the list next to Then, By, and under column, select Average. In the list under Order, select Sort Descending. You can use Add to specify additional sort criteria if required. Select OK. Now the student records are arranged such that all the students who passed appear together, followed by the students who failed. The records are also arranged by average. This helps you identify the top performing students as well as the ones who have scored an average of 60 or less. Remember, it's important to select the correct range to ensure the data is sorted correctly. If you accidentally select a smaller range, Excel may sort only a portion of the data, leading to errors in the student records. Filtering, like sorting, helps to quickly identify the information you need. However, filtering, unlike sorting, allows you to quickly isolate rows that meet specific criteria without rearranging the data. Suppose you want to view the scores of just the male students. You can use filtering in Excel to accomplish this. To filter the data, first select the entire dataset range from cell A1 to cell I16. This ensures that all the columns and rows are included in the filtering process. Select Filter on the Data tab. Filter arrows appear next to the header of each column in the dataset. Select the filter arrow for the gender column. Here you have various options to sort and filter the data. To display the records for just the male students, clear F. Select Apply. Now only the records for the male students are visible. The records of the female students have not been deleted. They have only been hidden temporarily. To view all the students' records again, select the filter arrow for the gender column. Then select Select All. Select Apply. All the student records are now visible. One of the great advantages of filtering in Excel is its flexibility. You can apply multiple filters, mix and match criteria, and even combine them to zero in on highly specific data. Suppose you want to view the records of students who passed but scored 60 or less than 60 in maths. You first need to filter for pass in the result column and then apply a second filter in the maths column for scores less than or equal to 60. To filter for pass in the result column, select the filter arrow for the result column. To display only the records for pass in the result column, clear Fail. Select Apply. To display students with marks less than or equal to 60 in maths among the students who have passed, select the filter arrow for the maths column. Hover over number filters and select Custom Filter. In the equals list, select is less than or equal to. In the box next to the list, type 60 and select OK. Now only the records of students who passed but scored 60 or less than 60 in maths are visible. Note the filter icons on the filter arrows for the result and maths columns. These icons indicate that you are not viewing the entire data set, but a filtered set of records. When working with filters, here are a few common issues to keep in mind. Remember to select the correct range to ensure the filtering is applied to the entire data set. If you accidentally select a smaller range or forget to select the range altogether, Excel may only filter a portion of the data, leading to incorrect results. If filters were applied to the dataset previously and you want to start fresh, ensure that you clear any existing filters before applying a new one. This ensures that you have the most accurate and up-to-date filtering results. If you make changes to the dataset, such as adding new rows or modifying existing values, the filter may not update automatically. In such cases, you will need to reapply the filter to reflect the changes correctly.
That's it. You've successfully used sorting and filtering in Excel, which will help you navigate and make sense of complex data sets with ease. Although the power of sorting and filtering is apparent when working with complex and large data sets, don't overlook the features of sorting and filtering while working with a simple data set either. Practice what we have learned, and you will soon see how these skills can significantly enhance your data management and analysis tasks, both in academic projects and in your future career endeavors. Keep exploring and let the data reveal its stories to you.